100 years ago, humanity set forth to populate the moon. This was our first wave of lunar colonization. Greedily, we mined the moon, but our world government had to intervene, limiting lunar operations. The moon was abandoned, left alone. The year is now 2205. Energy and resources have become scarce. We at the Global Union are granting your new corporation an incredible opportunity to take a second leap, to reach the stars. We see the promise in your knowledge and technologies. Extend your reach to new frontiers. Find new resources. Many obstacles may block your way. We believe you will prosper. Let the next race to space begin. Shape the future of our kind. You can lead the way for us all.